Hi guys, it's me Stefan.
And my name is Benjamin.
Today we prepare with you guys classic hummus and the pita bread. What we need for the classic hummus is chickpea from the can, or you have the option to use dry ones, but you need to soak overnight for at least 12 hours, and then you need to cook them for around 15 to 20 minutes. But today we go with the option of the cooked ones already. Then you need garlic, you need salt, you need cumin and tahini. And of course black pepper and olive oil. And then also fresh lemon or fresh lime. So we jump right into it. Let's put all together in the food processor. Actually, my cameraman suggested yesterday that we peel each chickpea. We take the skin off. But of course we skip this today, otherwise we stay here for a while. So we put this into the food processor. We go first with a half. Benjamin, can you cut me a garlic?
Yes, of course.
Then don't be afraid using tahini. You can use around 2 spoons, 2 nice spoons.
A little bit lime juice. When you take fresh lime, it's better you roll it a little bit. You become the juice better outside.
So then a pinch of cumin. Not too much please, because the cumin is quite intense in flavors. You use a good olive oil. And a pinch of salt. So, get this into it. Mix it very well. If you see it's getting too dry, you can use a little bit of water. Lovely. So, the first one, Benjamin, please put it in.
I take it out.
So I take the second one. Same procedure, a pinch of salt, a little bit of garlic.
Stefan, you need a little bit more lime juice?
Yes, please. Again, a little bit of cumin, but please be careful, because again, the cumin is quite intense. And a good spoon of tahini. And olive oil. So. So here you can see how smooth it is. Benjamin. So then next step is you mix it well. Give it a taste. You can see already how smooth it is. Nice. Taste it.
I think we need a little bit lime juice and a little bit salt.
All right. So, basic hummus. What you can do is also, if you like other vegetables, such as beetroot, cauliflower, bell pepper, pumpkin, you reduce the amount of chickpea and you put additional the other vegetable in. So you have, for example, a beetroot hummus, a cauliflower hummus, pumpkin hummus, etc. So you have a lot of variety with the hummus. Hummus is a great starter and is mostly used in the countries of Turkey, Syria and Lebanon and stuff like this. And they call it over there messe.
And now we show you we make
Pita bread. Exactly. Pita bread. What we need for pita bread? We need 1 egg.
We have a very good fresh egg here from a regional farmer.
Then we use flour.
Here we have round about 500 grams.
500 grams of flour. We need a little bit of milk. You need sugar, salt and baking powder.
We have mixed it before, it's better.
With the baking powder you get the dough a little bit more fluffier, because the dough itself, it needs around 12 hours to rest.
Now we must mix it for 2-3 minutes and then we let rest it for a half day.
Okay, as you can see, the dough is mixing and it needs to rest actually overnight for around 12 hours. We have prepared already a dough, what we did last night. And now you can see how fluffy it is.
It's very soft dough. Would you like to take also? We have a little bit flour here. It's better for slice when you take it into your hand, and the dough a little bit turning around with the hand.
With the hand, exactly. And you just give it a little bit massage until you have a nice bowl, as you can see.
It's very easy. When you have a bowl, you can take a little bit flour on top, and then you take a little roller.
You make it very flat.
You make it a very flat dough.
And then we're using a hot pan with a little bit of olive oil and give it on each side maybe 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown. Pita bread goes also very well with the classic hummus for dip. Easy to make. And actually all the ingredients you can find in any kind of supermarket, etc. So there's nothing difficult. So I put already a little bit olive oil on the flat pan. Can we?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can see, nice and flat. And again, you give it around for 2 minutes each side. A nice color, golden brown.
You can take it also in your hand a little bit. It goes also very good.
You can already see how the dough is coming up. Look at this guy, fantastic. And then you just check it. If it has a good color, you can see already. Beautiful. If you like, you can also use a pinch of salt on top. We have no limits actually on the bread. You can even make a nice mix with parsley and olive oil, a little bit garlic, because in those countries like Turkey, Syria, they love garlic. They like garlic. Everywhere's garlic inside. So you give it a nice spin. You see how the dough coming up? Beautiful. give it another minute. So, and this would be great for example, for the hummus. So, as you can see, the pita bread now golden brown. Yeah, just take it off. Lovely color. Some recommendations if you want: garlic, olive oil and parsley, and then you just put it over to the pita bread, or you leave it just plain. So this is up to you. So we're taking a plate, taking a spoon of the hummus we just did.
Stefan, you need a little bit herbs on top?
Yes. Little bit hummus. We cut some triangles. Four pieces. Little piece of lemon. Bit chili for garnish. Small cherry tomato. Little bit parsley. Here we go. Classic hummus with homemade pita bread. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please subscribe, like, or if you have any questions, comments. And we see you on the next episode where we prepare falafel and cucumber yogurt dip. Thank you. See you.
Goodbye.